Hello everyone. If you participated in this Nexira, they just listed like a couple of minutes ago, and now you can trade your airdrop rewards. You can sell, you can convert to USDT and withdraw, and it's not something that big, but at least it's an honest work. Considering that we started this farming just a month, so and it's rewarding, so it was not even tedious, so just a soft farming. So firstly, I'll drop the link in the description box of this video. Go to Nexira.ai reward central, and you see this option to convert airdrop ruby. From their X page, they mention that Nexira launch pool is like, okay, the conversion started earlier today, and they listed some minutes ago as at the time of making this video. Okay, yeah, they listed 11 a.m. UTC. That's like 25 minutes ago. So airdrop ruby conversion, you can see. So they just announced the ruby conversion now, and you can proceed to the Nexira central page to convert your ruby. This is where you are going to see your ruby if you've been claiming. I dropped this on my Telegram channel. If you are not yet on my Telegram channel, check the description box of this video to join my Telegram community so you don't miss out. So if you've claimed all of this one, then you should have your ruby here showing in your inner wallet here. You can see 11,000 ruby. This is not even a referral thing, because if there is no amount of people that you refer that gives you extra reward. The referral was capped at 5 referral per person, so everybody gets the same allocation. And you can see, so if you participated in the season 1 and in the season 2, then you must be getting this 11,000 ruby. So to convert this ruby, you come to this convert airdrop ruby, enter your name, enter your email address, enter your date of birth, and select your country, enter your residential address, upload your documents like maybe national ID or international passport or driver's license, whichever government documents that you have, genuine documents, you upload it here. Then here you enter amount of ruby you want to convert. You see, okay, I can only convert 6,500 per conversion. Okay, only one time conversion ruby will be withdrawn immediately. I can only convert 6,500. So let me see how many. 433 tokens, 433 Nexi. So the conversion is 15:1, meaning that for 15 ruby points you get 1 Nexi. For 15 ruby points you get 1 Nexi. So that's how this conversion works. So after you submitted all of this, you enter the amounts you want to convert. I think some of my rubies are still locked. Then you select, you see this staking option is automatically on yes by default. Then you have to select no, complete the captcha and click on submit. You will receive your Nexi tokens almost immediately to your wallet, to this inner wallet here. You will receive it. The balance will be showing here, just like you are seeing this ruby balance. So you see under this Mavia token, then you can click on transfer. I need to submit my details so that I can withdraw. So it should be showing here. It will be showing here. Then you can withdraw. I want to see how we can withdraw. Maybe I should just continue to my conversion so that I can see how to withdraw. Okay, it has popped up. So here you enter the withdrawal address. Is on, I think they listed on Base. Let me go to Gate.io. They listed on Gate.io, Exchange, La Bank, and some couple of exchanges. So I'll search here on Gate.io and see which. Why is it slow? Okay. So you can see this is the current price. So calculate with the token I'm converting for airdrop that we found for just 1 month. At least something for your time and for your data, considering that we didn't even do much tax like that. We didn't do much tax. So I want to deposit on Gate.io. Let me click on deposit. On chain deposits. I want to know the network at which they listed. I'll just search Nexi. So here is it. ERC20. This is bringing ERC20. That means they listed on Ethereum mainnet. Minimum deposit, spot account 3 minutes, and that's it. So this is the withdrawal address you're going to copy. This the withdrawal address, you copy this from Gate.io, then go back to your account. Okay, this one is Mavia of Heroes of Mavia. This is not the Nexi tokens. Let me just convert so that I can be able to see my tokens. I'm sure the moment I convert is going to be here. Then I can either click on transfer or withdraw. So I'll be entering all my details and convert, because they already stated it here that I will see it under. I want to see. They said we will see it under something like that. Okay, we'll be withdraw. Conversion rate is 15 Ruby per Nexi. After TG, tokens will be available in your trading wallet for every airdrop account at upper right corner within 1 hour after conversion. So it's gonna take me within 1 hour to receive the token under this trading wallet. For staking within 90 days, I'm not staking, I'm converting and selling. Only airdrop reward Ruby is eligible for conversion. Ruby bonus reward doing airdrop campaign are like excluded. Okay, Ruby bonus reward doing airdrop campaign. Oh, that was why they allow me to convert just 6,500. The 5,000 Ruby is a bonus, so they didn't add it to the 11,000. Oops. So if in case you are seeing just like myself where I can only convert 6,500 Ruby, then it means that the 5,000 bonus they gave everybody is excluded. They've stated it here. Submission of fraudulent or altered documents will result in falsification of all airdrops. Okay, don't submit wrong documentation. That's what they are trying to say. So the 5,000 they gave us is excluded. You can only get the main airdrop Ruby that you earned while farming by checking in for 5 consecutive days. Then, so I'll just proceed to do my own conversion and wait for 1 hour, within 1 hour actually, to get the Mavia, the Nexi here. Within that 1 hour, you get your tokens here under this trading account. This is trading account. Where you are seeing Ruby is where you'll be seeing the Nexi. Then from there you can transfer. You'll be seeing there should be a withdrawal button. Then you can send to Gate.io. Just go to Gate.io, click on deposits like I showed earlier. Enter your Nexi, search for Nexi, copy the address, come back to this place, click on transfer or withdraw, whichever you'll be seeing here. Then enter the withdrawal address and you can send out. I think it's gas fee. It's gas free rather. I saw where they wrote gas free something on their hex. Let me see. I saw where they wrote gas free something. So you are not paying gas. Okay, Nexi will be transferred to your Nexira Deap trading account, right corner, even if you mistakenly enter your external wallet address elsewhere. All non-airdrop Ruby will be exchanged. Will be able to exchange for Nexi Deap peer launch. All Non Airdrop Ruby will be able to exchange for Nexi at Nexira Deap peer launch. Okay, let me search this peer launch. Maybe that's why I'll be able to exchange my 5,000 rubies. I saw where they wrote gas free something because they didn't mention anything. There's no way you're going to deposit Ethereum to that place and I can't find the post again. Let me check this. Let me check this one. Sell Ruby. Oh wow. This one, yeah, you can that Ruby, you can also exchange it for this Mavia. So if I'm selling this Ruby, you can see it automatically connects to my inner trading account, and you can sell 11,500 Ruby. It will give me 35. Okay, estimated Mavia receive 70. What's the current price of Mavia? This one is 0.003. This spillage is too high. There's no way I'm definitely using this one. 50% spillage. That's cheating. So they want me to come and sell the remaining 5,000 Ruby here for Mavia or for their Nexi. Let me see if I can change to which coin I want to sell to. I'm not seeing where to change. Maybe I'll just check later. Okay. Hope Ruby Nexira pending TG. This one is not live. So your remaining 5,000 rubies, you can sell it here when this pending TG is live. You just have to select from this Ruby Mavia. Then you select Ruby Nexira. Then you come here, you click on sell. You come here, you click on sell, and you sell to Nexira. You sell to that Nexira. And you can even sell everything here. I don't think you need KYC to sell everything here. Just that you have to wait. Pending TG. They've not listed it here. They mention dates, they will list it here. Let me check. This is the gas free. Nexi will be transferred gas free to Nexira Deap Trading, where from there you can transfer anywhere as you wish. You can convert Non Airdrop Ruby to Nexi upon pre-launch in Nexira Deap exchange or use in the market place. You can submit support ticket to withdraw Nexi staking option. Fraudulent use of So this is the gas free. I hope we don't need gas to transfer. Nexi will be transferred gas free to Nexira Deap Trading Wallet, where you can transfer anywhere as you wish. So this place. And even if we need Ethereum as gas free, just send $2 worth of Ethereum there and you'll be able to withdraw out. Then you can convert Non Airdrop upon peer launch in Nexira Deap Exchange, which is this one. So I'll drop this Nexira Deap Exchange link in the description box of this video, so you can sell your bonus 5,000 rupees to this Nexi and withdraw out your Nexi to get IO exchange and sell for USDT. So basically that's how to convert your airdrop reward to USDT and take your profits. At least with the current price is just like $30 with the current price. With the current price is just like $30. So here is it. So if I calculate 760 rupees with this 4 cents, it's $30. Something for your data for less than a month of farming. So stay tuned for subsequent updates on other airdrops that we are currently farming. We'll bring it back to you as things evolve. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.